Welcome to Biology Beacon. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: lab grown organs. Imagine a future where damaged or failing organs can be replaced with new ones, grown in a lab just for you. Thanks to advances in bioengineering, this future is becoming a reality. Let's explore how scientists are making this possible. Lab grown organs, also known as bioengineered or tissue engineered organs, are organs that are cultivated in a laboratory environment. These organs are created using a patient's own cells, reducing the risk of rejection by the immune system. The idea is to replicate the natural structure and function of organs, but in a controlled setting outside the body. Creating lab-grown organs starts with a small sample of cells from the patient. These cells are often stem cells, which have the unique ability to develop into different types of tissues. Scientists then place these cells onto a scaffold, a structure that gives the organ its shape. With the right conditions, the cells multiply and grow, eventually forming a fully functional organ. Advances in bioengineering have been crucial in making lab-grown organs a possibility. Researchers are developing new materials for scaffolds that closely mimic the natural environment of human organs. They are also improving techniques to guide the growth and development of cells, ensuring that the organs function properly once transplanted. While lab-grown organs are still in the experimental stage, there have been promising successes. Scientists have already created simple tissues like skin and blood vessels, and they are working on more complex organs like the heart, lungs, and kidneys. However, there are significant challenges, such as ensuring that the organs receive a sufficient blood supply and function correctly within the body. The development of lab-grown organs represents a major breakthrough in medicine. In the future, this technology could eliminate the need for organ donors and reduce the waiting times for transplants. It could also lead to personalized treatments, where organs are tailored to the specific needs of each patient. As we continue to push the boundaries of science, lab-grown organs hold the promise of saving countless lives and transforming healthcare as we know it. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the future of medicine. If you found this topic fascinating, don't forget to like and subscribe to Biology Beacon for more insights into the incredible world of biology. See you next time.